Alright, let's dive into something that's been flying under the radar but absolutely shouldn't be. Imagine you're a temporary worker at one of the UK's biggest courier companies, DPD. You're handling packages all day, driving routes, dealing with the public, but here's the kicker: if you get sick, you're out of luck. No sick pay. And pensions? Forget about it. Internal documents leaked to The Guardian suggest this isn't just a mistake, it's baked into their system. And honestly, this isn't just about DPD. It's a window into how corporations exploit loopholes at the cost of vulnerable workers. Let's unpack this. First off, why does this matter? Because when a company as massive as DPD, which delivers over 260 million parcels a year, systematically excludes sick pay and pensions from their temporary workers' pay structure, it's not just unethical, it's potentially illegal. Experts are pointing out that if these workers aren't getting statutory sick pay or pensions, either the recruitment agencies are flat out breaking the law, or DPD is ghosting workers before they qualify. Either way, someone's profiting by ripping off the system. And here's the twist: DPD claims they're not responsible because the agencies are the official employers. But come on, they're the ones setting the charge rates. If those rates don't cover legal obligations, they're basically greenlighting exploitation. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. Why do companies do this? Because they can. The gig economy has normalized this flexible work model where workers are treated as disposable. If a temp worker gets sick after 11 weeks, boom, replace them before week 12. No pension liability. No sick pay owed. It's a scam, but it's legal, if you're willing to play the numbers game. And DPD's defense? They say they benchmark their rates against competitors. Translation: everyone's doing it, so why shouldn't we? But this isn't just DPD's problem. It's a symptom of a broken system where corporations hide behind third-party agencies to avoid accountability. The recruitment agencies are stuck in the middle, charge higher rates and risk losing contracts, or shortchange workers and pocket the difference. What fascinates me most is how this connects to the UK's new Fair Work Agency. Launched in April, it's supposed to crack down on labour abuses like this. But can it? The agency's merging several watchdogs, which sounds great in theory. But how do you enforce rules when companies operate through layers of subcontractors? If DPD's paying agencies a rate that's artificially low, how does the agency prove complicity? This isn't just about compliance, it's about power dynamics. Workers don't have the leverage to demand their rights when they're replaceable. And here's the hypocrisy: DPD's PR machine touts sustainability and ethical practices, but their supply chain is built on undercutting basic worker protections. Their customers, Amazon, John Lewis, M&S, are part of this ecosystem. So when they say we care about ethics, are they just virtue signaling? Let's end with a question: who's really responsible here? DPD points fingers at agencies. Agencies blame DPD's low rates. But the workers? They're the ones paying the price. And until brands like Amazon and supermarkets are held legally liable for the conditions in their logistics networks, this cycle won't break. Maybe the real story here isn't just about missing sick pay, it's about how modern capitalism weaponizes flexibility to exploit the most vulnerable. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below, because this isn't just DPD's problem. It's all of ours.